Welcome back. In this section, we are going to set up the environment you will use throughout this course. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to install and configure the Visual Studio Code as your code editor, install Node.js so you can run JavaScript outside the browser, use the browser developer tools for debugging. Before we dive into coding, we need the right tools in place. Let's get started. I am showing this on Windows, but the installation steps are almost the same for Mac and Linux. Just download the correct version for your system from the VS Code website. Open your browser, go to code.visualstudio.com website, download the Visual Studio Code and install it. After installing the VS Code, launch the VS Code editor. First, we will change the default theme. Click settings. You can find that in the bottom left corner. Click themes. Click color theme. Select the required theme for your code editor. Next, we will install a couple of extensions. Navigate to extensions icon. Click extension. Okay, first search for Prettier extension. Select the first one. Click install. After installing the Prettier extension, we will configure it. Again, go to settings. Click settings. Here, search for default formatter. Make sure you select Prettier from this drop down list. The next setting is search for keyword format on save. Tick this check mark format on save. Also select file from format on save mode. Next, we will install another extension called ESLint. Simply type ESLint. Select the first one. Click install. So this extension will automatically validate your JavaScript code and catch any errors. It also provide a fix for your JavaScript code. Next, this extension is completely optional, but it's good to have. Search for JavaScript. Code snippets. Select the first one. Click install. This snippet will help you to autocomplete your JavaScript code. Makes JavaScript development faster. Great progress so far. Next, let us install Node.js. Open your browser. Go to this website nodejs.org. Click download. In the drop-down, please select the latest stable release, which is 22.19.0. Then come down. We will select the pre-built Node.js. Since I'm running on Windows, I will select Windows installer. If you are running on Mac OS, you can select the Mac OS installer. Otherwise, if you are running on Linux, you can download and run the standalone binary. I will download the installer now. After running the installer, let us verify the Node.js. Open your command prompt or terminal. Type the command node-v. If the installation was successful, you will see the installed Node.js version printed out. Perfect. Next, we will see how to create a simple hello world program in JavaScript. Open your Visual Studio Code, click File, New, New File, enter the file name hello.js. This will create a new file. Select the directory where you want to save this file. Type console.log hello world. Save the file. Now go to terminal, click new terminal. Instead of PowerShell, please select the command prompt. Okay, go to this is our file path. Let's go to the file path. To run the program, type node hello.js. Congratulations, you have successfully executed your first program in JavaScript. Okay, next we will dive into Browser DevTools. Browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox come with built-in tools for developers. It is called DevTools. One of the most important useful feature for us is the console, which let us run JavaScript code directly in the browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome browser. Right click anywhere on the page and choose inspect. Okay, switch to console tab. You can also use shortcut Control Shift I. This will also open the developer tools. So what we will do here is we will run the same hello world program in the browser. Type console.log, type hello world. Hello world. When I press enter, you will see the message printed right here in the console. The console is very handy for testing small snippets of JavaScript or debugging error in your code. I will also show you how to create JavaScript snippets. Click sources. Can you see here snippets? Click new snippets. Just give a name hello.js. Here type console.log hello world. Save the file, right click, click run. You can see in the console our output is printed. If you want to debug, you can add a breakpoint here, then right click run. You can see the cursor is currently waiting at the line number 2. So this way, right, we can debug our JavaScript code. So like I said, as we go forward, we will use VS Code and Node.js for writing bigger JavaScript programs. But developer tool is always useful as a quick playground to try things out. So far very good. Let's keep going.